Hey there, kid. Name's Jack. Been an ironworker here in New York since 28. Thought I'd tell you what it's like dangling up here, building giants out of steel. First day up top, my knees were jelly. Wind hitting ya like a freight train 80 stories up. No harnesses, just guts and good boots. We were a tough bunch. Irish, Italian, black, even some Mohawk boys. Didn't matter where you came from, long as ya held your own. All we had was a rivet gun, a spud wrench, and each other. You drop a tool, that's it, gone. Maybe someone's head, too, if you weren't careful. We'd toss red-hot rivets from the forge. One guy'd catch it in a bucket, pop it in place, and bang, you hammer it shut. Like clockwork. Lunch? You sat on a beam, legs hanging over the edge, eating a salami sandwich. Looking down at ants that were people. Haluva view. Almost bought it once. Slipped on a frost-covered girder. Caught myself on a bolt head. Still got the scar. Lucky ain't the word. You look down at the city, and it's humming. Cars, smoke, people all moving. But up here, we built them because we had to. Depression hit hard. Families to feed. Every beam we laid was bread on the table. Now folks look up at those towers, don't see us. But we're up there, in every bolt and girder. Iron runs in my blood, and it's still holding it. Every morning that we climb, steel's cold, air's colder. Some boys don't talk till we hit the top. That first step up's always the toughest. We got the union. They watch our backs. Ain't perfect, but it's the reason we get paid fair, and our folks know we might come home. Tommy fell last winter, ice on the beam. Was laughing 1 second, gone the next. We all heard it. Whole site went silent. Still hear it sometimes. Summer, your boots feel like they're melting. Winter, your fingers don't come back till noon. You ain't lived till your skin froze to steel. Them forge boys, they keep the heart of this place beating. Red hot rivets, moving non-stop. If they miss a beat, the whole line jams up. Another day, another girder. This city ain't gonna build itself, right? Always gotta keep your head on a swivel up here.
We don't leave much behind, us iron guys. No plaques, no pictures.